What the fuck? One guy was like hanging off the edge of the building.
Still fucking doing it. Jesus Christ.
What is that sound?
I don't know, but...
He's like the only person on objective.
He's the only one blocking. Oh my god. Yes,
Maybe that's... Yeah. I think he... Oh no.
No, dude, you guys fucking suck. They're not objective, retards.
He has like every right to make that sound. He was the only one.
It sounds like he's crying. This is too good, man. I think you're echoing.
Ah!
Where is the commander?
Ah!
Oh my god.
Just do that in proxy too.
Oh my god.
Too much work.
Lay off the crack, man.
I
got too much crack cocaine.
You don't tell me how to play.
What is this guy doing?
My name is Emily.
Oh my god.
My name is Emily and I'm quirky and I have crackhead energy. But I'm definitely different from your average girl.
Go, 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 go!
Oh.
Spread out the
I can't do this. Oh my god, that's so funny. It's like, I can barely breathe. Holy shit, that's so funny. Come from the right side. Right side. No.
Dude, they're getting our asses handed.
Yeah, actually, these guys are accurate too.
And they know like all the camp spots.